He's not gonna go without me telling him. Turn around.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Because if you don't do it,
That's my boy. I don't
Wow.
know.
He's like, Mom. He's like, where is it?
fine.
Do the high five again.
I don't have nothing. I'm afraid he's not gonna do it.
We'll try it once without the treat.
High five. Paco.
He pays, that's like he pays attention to me.
High five. Paco. High five.
He's like, you don't have anything.
Sunflower. I think Bert take this better. High five. High.
He wants to make sure it's real.
I know.
Wow.
That is so cool. Oh, we don't know he's just gonna drop it.
No, but you give it to the thing. He's
But
gonna
he had a
pick it.
tiny little piece of it.
Okay, say it. Say. Wanna get high?
Wanna get high? Bring it on. Wave. Wave. That's my boy.
Wow.
So you didn't
That's
wave, right?
cool.
So you just raise it. Wave. 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 That's my boy. Yeah.
You're such a good boy, Paco.
Give me another one.
How do you know that's different from high five, though?
Because I know because he get and he tried to hold my hand.
Yeah.
He get his and tried to dash it.
Uh-huh.
Even if I say my fingers like that, he tried to get my fingers. One of them. Lake actually taught her this step of word. She kept on teaching that and he just
Yeah, he knows step
let me
up.
see the upside down see. Upside down? Upside down? One leg? One leg? One leg?
He's like, no.
Upside down?
Does he understand Spanish?
One leg? No. One leg? One leg, baby.
You don't speak Spanish?
There we
Good
go.
boy.
Oh, that's a good baby. Yeah, he's a good boy.
Good boy, Paco.
I don't do much of
I'm
this.
surprised you don't cuss at him in
Yeah.
Spanish or something.
This is my Aunt Irma and her dog Spot.
Say, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
What's with the bobbing?
That's when he wants somebody.
Oh, I thought he was trying to initiate some kind of mating thing.